Welcome to the spoken tutorial on calcium-rich non-vegetarian recipes. In this tutorial, we will learn about few calcium-rich non-vegetarian recipes. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our body. 99% of the body's calcium is found in bones and teeth. The remaining 1% is present in the blood. The role of calcium in our body has been explained in another tutorial. Please visit our website for these tutorials. It is necessary to take good amount of calcium through diet. Calcium is found in some non-vegetarian food. For example, prawns, lobsters, Bombay duck, dried shrimp and dried bony fishes. Other sources of calcium are milk, milk products, nuts and seeds. Calcium is also present in green leafy vegetables and some legumes. Let us see some calcium-rich non-vegetarian recipes. The first recipe is dried shrimp curry. To prepare this recipe, you need 20 grams or 3 tablespoons of dried shrimp, half onion, half tomato, 3 to 4 garlic pods, 1 lemon-sized tamarind, 1 sprig of curry leaves. The spices needed for this recipe are 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon mustard seeds. You will need 2 teaspoons of oil or ghee and salt according to taste. Procedure: soak the dried shrimp in water for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the oil in a vessel and add mustard seeds. As they start to crackle, add curry leaves and chopped garlic. Then add chopped onions. Saute the mixture until it becomes light golden. Next, add the tomatoes and spices. Mix it well. Add half cup of water. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the dried shrimp in a sieve for few minutes. Add this to the mixture in the pan. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Dried shrimp curry is ready. One serving of this recipe gives around 876 milligrams of calcium. Our next recipe is Bombay duck fish curry. For this you need 150 grams of Bombay duck fish, half onion, 2 to 3 garlic pods, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. You also need 2 to 3 kokum or dry mango pieces or tamarind, 1/4 fresh coconut, handful of coriander leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon oil or ghee, half lemon for marination. Procedure: clean and wash the fish pieces thoroughly. Marinate the fish pieces with salt and lemon juice. Keep it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. Let us see how to prepare the coconut milk. Grind coconut pieces with half cup of lukewarm water. Strain the coconut mixture in a sieve. Collect the coconut milk in a bowl. Squeeze the coconut residues with clean hands to extract maximum milk. Put back the coconut residue in the mixer. Add half cup of lukewarm water and grind it again. Strain it. Collect the coconut milk for the second time. Repeat the procedure one more time. Keep the collected coconut milk aside. Do not throw away the coconut residue. I will tell you what to do with it later. Next, grind onion, chili, cumin seeds, garlic and coriander leaves. Add a little water to make a thick paste. Take a pan and heat oil or ghee. Add the paste to it. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add curry leaves, kokum and turmeric powder. Mix well. Add half cup of water. Add the marinated fish pieces to the curry. Cover the pan and cook on low flame for 7 to 10 minutes. Add the prepared coconut milk to the curry and stir it. Cook for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Bombay duck fish curry is ready. One serving of this curry gives around 280 milligrams of calcium. If Bombay duck is not available, then you can use any of the following: tengra fish, seal fish, Indian herring fish, Indian Jew fish. Let me tell you about the coconut residue which we had saved earlier. You can roast it and store it. This roasted coconut flakes can be added in curries or chila batter. It can even be used to make dry chutney powder with nuts and seeds. It can be added to the flour of rotis and parathas. Adding the roasted coconut enhances the fiber content and flavor. Our third recipe is prawn curry. For this recipe, take the following ingredients: 80 grams of prawns, half medium sized onion, half medium sized tomato, 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds, few curry leaves. Spices required for this recipe are half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. You will need half lemon, salt according to taste, and 2 teaspoon oil or ghee. Procedure: clean and wash the prawns properly. Make a slit on the backside of prawns. Now pull out the black thread from it. This black thread has to be removed from the other side also if found. Marinate the prawns with salt and some lemon juice. Keep it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. Next, dry roast the sesame seeds in a pan on medium heat. Let it cool. Keep 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds aside for garnishing. Grind the onions, tomatoes and 2 teaspoon roasted sesame seeds in a mixer. Make a thick paste. Heat oil in a pan. Add curry leaves and the paste. Saute this mixture well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the spices and mix well. Add half cup of water and cook for 5 minutes. Next, add the prawns and mix well. Cover the pan and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Garnish with 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. Prawn curry is ready. One serving of prawn curry gives around 250 milligrams of calcium. If prawns are not available, you can also use lobsters for this recipe. The next recipe is dried fish powder. You will need 15 grams or about 1/4 cup of dried fish. Examples of some calcium-rich dried fishes are as follows: ribbon fish, kingfish, tengra fish, etc. For this recipe, we have used dried Bombay duck. Other ingredients required to make the powder are 1 to 2 red chili, 3 to 4 garlic pods, 1 lemon-sized tamarind, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and salt to taste. Dry roast the dried fish pieces on medium flame for 2 minutes. Keep it aside to cool. Grind the roasted dried fish and the rest of the ingredients in a grinder. Dried fish powder is ready. You can have this powder 2 to 3 times a day with your meals. Quarter bowl of dried fish powder contains 208 milligrams of calcium. All these recipes are also a good source of the following nutrients: protein, zinc, folate, phosphorus, iron, omega-3 fatty acid. It is necessary to have these nutrients in our daily diet for our good health. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.